giwuoth kendo ne gilalore matut. Giyango kanyo koni koro nengo nendo mar diesel ibiro duoko piny kod siling 10. Chakre dwe nendo manyien.
I have directed that in the pricing cycle, next pricing cycle, we are going to driving rapid depreciation of the Kenya shilling and threatening fuel supply stability. By easing pressure on foreign exchange demand and ensuring predictable supply terms, the framework has protected the economy during the crisis as the one we have now.
Erokamano margine ker maturo kendi migosi William Samuel Ruto kuom ne winjo kwayo margi kendo rango gi kanyo endo kod wang' mamuol. Giyango ni gichungo ng'anyo margi mabende ne gichano mar timo kendo juma manyien kendo gisingo mar dok e tich juma neno manyien mo gibuono.
They are not paying duty, so we welcome that, His Excellency. We are going to work with your government. We, all of us, we are Kenyans. We want peace in this country, and we want to be united so that we can move forward. When the president talk about Singapore, to me,
Piny Kenya temo kanye ko keto chendo giko makare mar neno kanyo nitie chuth ber e thuolo mar higni 10 thoye makare mar neno kanyo nitie chuth ber e thuolo mar higni 10 thoye mathoro neno e kinde go koma bende wakeni konyore kata toko konyruok ka bende Kenya dwaro konyo mar neno kanyo e koni oket gige thieth kata lai makare mag neno kanyo e koni weche oket gige thieth kata lai makare mag neno kanyo e koni weche go koma mag thieth odhi maber ute thieth mag ko mag counties weche makamago no wuok e kinde.
They attend all the prenatal clinics, which was not the case before. And you agree with me, a mother who has not attended any clinic is more likely to have complications compared to a mother who has not been attending any clinics. And for that reason, we've been able to use the community health promoters to ensure that we have reduced cases, also more births being reported, and
newborn deaths. That is a commitment that I can make as the Minister for Health in Kenya.
Jan Marchai, oyango kanyo ni chendo makamano endo, en mana mano mabende koro biro neno kanyo, ni ober sekta no endo mar pith mag majano mag chai. Oyango ni usuru maket kod mano endo biro konyo, e bero chendo gi ko mag pur ka achiel kod manyo chirni mabeyo, makoro bende biro geto kanyo e koko.
We must value what? We want to concentrate on some 5 critical areas. What is quality and value addition? What is quality and value addition? Which for now, when I see us, we are doing very well. I want to appreciate for now, when I see us, we are doing very well. I want to appreciate the farmers. Wamejaribu kwa maneno ya quality. When we started talking, there was a story of East and West. They are almost at par now because of quality. Can you clap to our farmers?
Zaneno
mawachiwo gin kaka wezesha loans, manohola maimi, savings and credit account, biashara loans, hola mar timo ohala account, biashara loans, hola mar timo ohala, emergency loans, school fee, hola mag somo kata puonjo nyithindo. Chenro ma wachiwo gin kaka MKWesa, membership card, SMS alerts, M-Pesa, call center matiyo seche alerts, M-Pesa, call center matiyo seche 24 X Kewesa Sacco, email marwa info X Kewesa Sacco, email marwa info@kenyawestsacco.com.
Komuch to wan kore duoko mag tuke mopogore opogore.
Color TV. Color TV. Ineno Color TV. Color TV. Machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Machiegni kendo wadhi nyime. Obila e kaunti neno ma Kiambu dhi nyime kanyo kod timo nonro e wi tho ma japuonjre moro ma jahigni 22 ma somo kar tiegruok nendo ma Kiambu National Polytechnic ma bende nokawo ngimane dakika machuok to kano geng'ne kanyo to sendo obila makono kitude kanyo endo kod kes mar kuo. Kalore kanyo kod komanda mar obila mano kanyo migosi Hassan Elesh.
11 a.m. the caretaker of where the gentleman, or rather the deceased, was staying, and the complainant brought the suspect, who is now the deceased, to the police station. The police officers at the report office received, they booked him, they confirmed the OB number and placed him in cells. They were recording their statement. The OCS, that was around 11:52. It was only 52 minutes later. The OCS was making round as usual, going through in cells to check the condition of prisoners. There was only one female prisoner in cells before the deceased was brought. Plus the deceased, there were 2 prisoners now, but both of them, they were in separate cells because one was a female and the other is a male. In cells, we have mattresses. Unfortunately, this gentleman, now deceased, he used what we suspect to be a mattress cover to hang himself on a rod placed above the ventilations. As she raised alarm, as the OCPD, I called in the CCIO, we went to the cells, we confirmed, we called the IPOA, we called the scenes of crime personnel, and the investigation began. As of now, that is the only information that I can give you because the matter is still fresh. It is being investigated by both IPOA and our CID team. Deceased is said to be 23 years old. Yeah. One, we are investigating whether the said theft was there because we have already gotten the statements. Secondly, it's trying to dig out how the deceased managed to hang himself. I want to
Ekinde ni endima bende koro chendo mamoko sadoke wange chimbo bonendo mabusia jopiny man kod mirima pod dhi nyime kanyodo kod kwedo ti mara pisas mago bila mabende nochelo kanya kod magina mochone gorawere ang'wen mabende ne wuok oko kanganyo mamul kalore kanyo kod ndicho mabende pisas mago bila go nondhiego kanyo jatend rawere bonendo mabusia rawere maket kod mano endo no maki kalore kanyo kod ndiko mabende nokete mbui kopingo godo serikali mapacho kaindi
kidogo tu. Chikuze inasemekana alitenda kosa ati inaitwa malicious damage, of which haijabainishwa kama ni ukweli ama kama ni uongo. Back March this year, na kuanzia juzi mwezi wa 3 mpaka leo hii, Chikuze si ati alikuwa amekutoroka hapa Busia, alikuwa hapa Busia. Na hii imetokana na kwamba na misimamo ya Chikuze ya kwenda hospitali hii ya Busia na kusema kwamba kuna wamama walikuwa wamefungiwa hapo. Na kiukweli kuna wamama walikuwa wamefungiwa hapo zaidi ya wamama 10 ati walikuwa wajalipa bili. Hatutaki kuchanganya siasa na administration. Kama Chikuze alitenda kosa ya malicious damage mwezi wa 3 na Chikuze si ati alitoroka hapa Busia, amekuwa Busia mpaka ameenda kwa police station hapo. Hata wakati mwingine vijana walikuwa wakishikwa. Kwa nini hajashikwa hiyo wakati yote? Wamengoja tu wakati ame-expose mambo ya Busia County kwamba kuna mama wamefungiwa pale, ndio sasa Chikuze ameonekana kwamba alitenda kosa.
Vijana wamekufa mpaka saa hii hatujaona kiongozi yoyote ambaye amejitokeza kuanzia kwa gavana wetu hajajitokeza na kusema kwamba atoe hata taarifa ya kusema kwamba hizi vifo zimetokea kwa sababu gani. Wewe uwezi amurisha maaskari kupiga vijana kwa sababu vijana wamekuja kutetea mwenzao. Wakati mnashika kiongozi, vijana wamekuja kuuliza huyu kiongozi wameshikwaje. Wakati hata hujafika station wanapata mmeshajitayarisha, mmepanga bunduki kupiga vijana marisasi. Na hii yote inatokana kwa sababu ile hali ya usalama, zile vyombo vya ambazo zinashughulikia usalama katika kaunti yetu ya Busia vimekuwa compromised. Viongozi wetu ambao wamepigiwa kura, wamechukua hawa wakubwa walinzi wa usalama, wamewekwa kwa mfuko. So sisi tunaomba kwamba serikali ya Murkomen ikaweze kutuangalia hapa Busia. Vijana wameumia, vile tunaongea sasa hivi wamelala mochari.
Haitoshi kwa mkubwa yeyote wa polisi ama mkubwa yeyote ya idara ya usalama kutoa amri ya kwamba fukuza watoto, piga marisasi. Watoto wameuawa wengine, hata kuna mwingine wa 15 years old. Mtoto wa 15 years old anaweza harm nani? Ukiangalia jinsi ambayo waliuawa, wameuawa, mwingine amepigwa risasi kwa shingo. Mtoto mchanga sana. Papa alipigwa kama already amepindua mgongo anaenda. Papa alipokuwa anaenda mahali penye aliuawa pale baba shop.
Wadhina ke county ma Migori kamedo kanyentende county ndo ma Migori dhi kanyendo kod yudo akwede kutenore kanyendo kod dwaro margi mar loko kar choko taka kapok otergi kanyendo kapok otergi Isebania. Wach maket kod mano endo noyudo akwede malich miwuoro kowuok kuom oganda kaachiel kod jachung' od burano endo ma Kuria West. Kinde limbe mare mar rango chenro go mag dongruok e county no oseyo kanyentende county endo ma Migori mawacho kanyo koni oseremo chiwo lo mar gero chiro endo Mabera. Ripota moro ma county ma Migori, Collins Gor miyo waler mathoth.
Nde county ma Migori koro to yudo kwete maliche mokalo kaluwore koda okang' manigi dwaro kawo mar weto takataka e alwora ma Isebania e kar chung' od bura ma Kuria West. Kwete ma kama wuok kuom jaod bura ma kono Migosi Mathias Robi, kama ne timore bang' jopiny bende ne wuok tumo suo koda ka wach ma kamae
pale Isebania. Na nataka niambie kaunti ya Migori ya leo, Migori kutoka huko Rongo, Awendo, Uriri, Nyatike, Suna West, Suna East, mimi sikuwa nimejua ati wanakuja kutupa takataka hapa Isebania. Mimi nimewaambia watu wa kaunti wakome kuanzia leo. Wacha kila watu watupe takataka kwa St. Anne's hapo, njia kwenda Masebe. Waende watafute shamba ile na kuna watu wanaishi hapo karibu. Hiyo mambo mimi nimekataa. Na nataka gavana na serikali yake asikie. Hatuwezi kubali ati Kuria West ndio takataka inakuja kutupwa hapa. Wananchi mnakubali takataka itupwe hapo?
Inde wuoth mare chenro mag dongruok e kar chung' od bura nogo bende no yango ni chenro mag dongruok mawuok e piny owacho mano mamalo nyaka koro to wene thuolo makare mondo jopiny oyude chenro mag dongruok mawuok e piny owacho mamalo. Bende oseyo tend kaunti ma Migori ma bende osetamore chiwo lo mano mar gedo mar chiro mar Mabera, gino ma bende koro to yango ni gin achiel kuom chenro maduoko tend kaunti ma Migori piny maliche mokalo.
Mabera sisi wenyewe tukitaka maendeleo, muone maendeleo ya kitaifa mahali wengine wanapata, na hii mji wa Mabera iendelee, lazima soko ijengwe vile ilivyo. Lakini nilisikia kaunti inatuambia tupunguze hiyo soko iwe ndogo kama Nyambwanzi. Sasa watu wa Mabera mnakubali hivyo ama tujenge ile kubwa? Unajua kama watu wa Mabera mnasema tujenge soko kubwa, lazima hizo nyumba ziko hapo karibu na mtandao hizo. Najua kuna watu wako hapo watoe hizo nyumba. Hiyo shamba sio ya mtu, ni ya serikali. Hizi nyumba ziko kwa hii soko mahali mabati wamekinga, hii laini yote mnaona mpaka kule. Sisi nataka niwapatie wiki 2 wao wamehama kutoka hapa. Stage hii pesa hiyo milioni 80 inajenga barabara, na pamoja na hii stage hapa tunafanya hii kazi ya stage hapa tuchuke mpaka pande ile ya chini.
Wach mabende no mede okwed koda ka MC Matagare Migosi Moses Magwe ka owacho ni tend kaunti ma Migori onge koda ka teko nogo maromo mar geng'o gedo mar chiro nogo mar Mabera.
Ambao walikataa hii soko haiwezi jengwa, kataa kupeana shamba ya kujenga soko ya Mabera. Hii hii soko ya Mabera hana uwezo ya kutuzuia kujenga Mabera soko. Hii shamba iko hapa ni ya serikali, si ya gavana Ochiro. Hii shamba sio ya Mwera. Hii shamba sio ya Mahiri. Hii shamba ni ya mwananchi na tunataka soko ijengwe hapa isaidie wananchi wetu.
Si Matias Robi Benenoti okoda kathulo noko mar jiwo jopiny mondo koro to bed koda ka horruok mar wuoyo koda ka jatend piny mondo koro to duok nengo mar mahuta piny ma bende jopiny osebedo ka gone koko malichie mokalo e pacho kaeki.
Mumeona kuna shida kwa mafuta imepanda kwenda juu. Hiyo tunajua ni duniani yote, lakini rais anajua. Na tumeambia rais wale tuko karibu kuwa apunguze. Na tayari amesema atapunguza.
Ne Kala TV kowuok kar chung'und bura ma Kuria West, kaunti ma Migori, nyinga Gor Collins.
Lipod ma kaunti ma Migori bende makoro kela giko mar weche manyien mar adimba kidienye mar Dier Odiochieng. Asingo mar bedo kodi koromo kanyo sa 10 midhiambo kama biro miyo weche manyien endo machuo. Kimedo mana kete wanjo mari mar Kala TV ne chendo mamoko mabiro nyime. Oriti masani nyinga ni Tracy Ouma.
Ineno Kala TV. Kala TV machiegni pacho ma e odwa.